Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you can sign in, password and two-factor are correct, and recovery methods work. Once done, open Gmail in a supported desktop browser. This reduces mobile app variables. Next, disable extensions or open a fresh incognito window to rule out add-ons. Make sure to clear cache and cookies for mail. Google. Com so stale, corrupted files aren't blocking requests. These steps remove common client-side blockers and prepare the environment for the deeper fixes that follow. Once your browser is clean, verify Google service status and any account alerts that could cause a generic something went wrong message. If services look fine, flush your local DNS and reset the browser's network stack. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushtons and restart the router if DNS errors persist. Make sure VPNs, proxies, and strict firewall rules aren't blocking secure HTTPS on port 443, since Gmail requires that channel. These network-level checks catch issues beyond the browser and clarify whether the problem is local or external. To finish, sign out of all sessions and sign back in. This reestablishes server tokens and often resolves transient errors. If the issue persists, test Gmail on another device or the official app to isolate whether the problem is device-specific. Export important data if you cannot access mail reliably, and gather screenshots and console log entries before contacting Google support. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to capture browser console logs and network traces. Those details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.